Actress Betty White passed away at age 99. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for our Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So, the entertainment fraternity is once again plunging into mourning following the passing of popular actress Betty White. She passed away at age 99. So, actress Betty White, who charmed television viewers for more than 60 years, has passed away at age 99. People and the Washington Post reported her passing. Her witty style gave life to a roster of quirky characters over more than a half century. They included Oddball, Rose in The Golden Girls, and in The Spoken Caretaker on Hot in Cleveland. She also drew laughs with occasionally salty one-liners in the 2009 comedy The Proposal and the horror-proof Lake Placid. By popular demand, she also hosted the Saturday Night Live in 2011. A source told reporters that Betty didn't have any sudden illness nor was battling any particular ailment at the time of her passing. We're told it is believed that she passed away from natural causes. Beloved actress, comedian, and American icon Betty White has passed away just weeks before her milestone birthday. Law enforcement sources told reporters that Betty passed away at her home just before 9:30 a.m. on Friday. A trailblazer and a pioneer in media, Betty had the longest running career for any woman in TV prior to her passing, starring in multiple shows over the past 8 decades, starting back from way as 1939. Betty is perhaps famous for her lead role in The Golden Girls, which ran from 1985 to 1992. She has been in tons of other movies, TV shows, and also ads that ran for decades on television and also other media sources. She's been nominated for several Golden Globe Awards and has been honored with lots of Lifetime Achievement Awards and celebrations through several organizations. As reported by a number of media houses, Betty had been extra cautious during the COVID pandemic, mostly chilling at home, reading, watching television, and doing crossword puzzles. Betty was 99 and would have celebrated her 100th birthday on January 17. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.